Hello guys, my name is Isaac and welcome back to my channel. Today I have with me my Sony a6400 with a Sony 16-50mm kit lens. So I've had this lens with me for about 2 months now and I've been shooting sports with it. So today we are going to shoot a football match to test or to see how well it performs when you have a fast moving subject, and also if it's beginner friendly if you're on a budget. Yeah, so let's go and find out. So first off, I would like to talk about this lens's aperture. So this lens has a relatively small aperture, an aperture of 3.5 to 5.6, which is very small. So in order to obtain a blurry background, you need to go closer to your subject. So we are getting dark images as well, and this is due to the same aperture issue. So because we are shooting at a fast-paced sport, you need to up your shutter speed, and when the shutter speed is up, your images tend to look dark, and this is due to the lens only allowing you to shoot at f5.6 when your shutter speed is up, and this produces dark images. And in a low light situation, these are some of the results or challenges that you are going to face when using this lens. So next up, we are going to see how well this lens performs when your subject is moving and is able to track and capture the moment and give you sharp images. So this lens is not the sharpest lens out there, but as a beginner, I think you can just manage the quality that you'll be getting from this lens. But in order to obtain a very sharp or fine looking image, I think you have to be close to the subject. If not, you're going to get grainy images. So this was another challenge where it was getting really dark and I wanted to keep my shutter speed high and still get good images. But because of the aperture whereby it only allows you to shoot at 5.6, you were getting just dark images, because when you up your ISO, you're going to get grainy footages, which affects the quality of your image. Yes guys, so we've come to the end of this test, and if you're a beginner, I don't think you have an issue with this lens. But if you're looking to do sports photography professionally, then I think investment should be done in the future to acquire a better lens. And I hope this video helps you make the right choice of lens for the right work. Like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, you can put it in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bless up.